If you want to maintain independence, mobility, and freedom as you age, there's probably nothing more important for you to train than your deep Asian squat. Here's why. A deep squat is a simple, safe path down to the floor, which is crucial if you're a parent with children or you're a grandparent who wants to play with and spoil your children's children.
And forget about family and kids. Sometimes you just need to get something from under the couch or under the car. Sometimes you just need to pick up something awkward or heavy. Then your squat isn't just optional, it's critical.
But that's not the end of the story. Having the strength to get up from a deep squat isn't just a question of comfort and convenience. It can literally save your life. One day in his 70s, my dad was walking from his retirement home to a nearby noodle shop and he tripped on the sidewalk. He did not have the strength to get up by himself. Luckily, a passerby called an ambulance to come help him get up. If you fall while crossing the street and you can't stand back up on your own, that is a life-threatening situation. If you fall at home and you live alone and you can't get yourself back up, that is a life-threatening situation. Being able to stand up from a deep squat should not be viewed as some circus trick. It's a basic human skill that humans have used for years, especially when they needed to poop before toilets existed. Before the widespread adoption of the elevated toilet, everybody around the world, regardless of geography, regardless of genetics, had to be able to squat down and poo. If you don't believe me, try pooping standing and see how it feels. And we need to actually pause here in the bathroom for a second because this is where the importance of the squat becomes truly obvious. For many older adults, getting on and off the toilet becomes more challenging as leg strength diminishes. But if you maintain or you improve your leg strength by using deep squat training, it's going to mean you stay confident and in control as you get on and off the toilet.
And that means you won't need someone to help you get on or off of the toilet.
The leg strength you build from doing squat training will also help you safely navigate stairs both up and down.
And that can mean the difference between staying in the house you love with all the memories you made in it and having to move to a flatter place with no stairs just to feel safe on a daily basis. And the best time to practice your deep squat is today. Whether you're 45 or 85, your body will benefit from practicing this fundamental human movement. Improving your squat can be simple. Start off just holding on to something sturdy and only go as low as you can, feeling confidently in control and comfortable. Never push through pain. Go up and down slowly, and when you feel a little tired in your legs, take a rest. Spend a couple minutes a day working on this, and if you ever feel like your muscles are too sore, just take a day off. And if you have arthritis of the knees, hips, or back, it's important to remember that decades of research have shown that diagnosis is not destiny. What you see in an x-ray doesn't always correlate with the function or the feeling in that body part. And what many people find is that more movement is the only way you unlock more movement. I'm 44 years old now, and over the last 2 decades, I've been told that I should just rest my knee and rest my hip for the rest of my life. Instead, I have patiently trained my knees and my hips and my back and everything else, and I have seen the limits gradually melt away so that my body's abilities expand and I feel fantastic.
And look, if you haven't done a deep squat since you were a toddler, don't push for the bottom position today. This is going to be a gradual progression over weeks, months, possibly even years. Start shallow, practice patience, and you will reap the rewards. Improving your squat will help you maintain muscle mass. It'll help you maintain bone density, and it'll help you maintain independence as you age. For programs to help you build resilience for real life, go to uprighthealth.com/DIY. And these videos right here will help you with your deep squat.